What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Unongnya ka motorbike ubamla ban ithu ulaklat no hadin ka jingatakhu bat ka bus night super kabalawan ra e ka jingkem ding hak surok ba NH6 hajan civil hospital nongpo hak arpa sautrik nailur kani ka jingja accident kala jia hakapor shipho arpa sabaji menmien uni unongnya ka bike KTM Duke ka badan yaw number ML not san y lai hinriu kandai pra kala tanra markhamat pat kani ka bus night super kabadan yaw number AS not EWGC lai ar pra kabawan na Guwahati Shashlong. Hakajing toket lalap bakati ka tuk kawan na kalyang kababakla ni wrong side hakapor bajia kani ka accident. Kani kajing syak tanra kalapelong ya kakaliban kemding bat ban ingkong na kabanta ba syakman bat uni unongnya ka bike bomla ban ithu ulaklat no hasyan. Daka jingkloy ki pulit pilip ding joko nongpo lala bentem mardor ya kading bat barok ki passenger la yo ban pelait daka pasuk. Ya kamet yap lapen kan ria no shanongpo civil hospital hakaba ansale ya ka examine hakar pasantrik nailur.
Ala mukhya hi for posting hi nadang pit match cricket match. Nasi yusno sawai kumabom bombere. Ngata thya highway te ka dia be gumta ta kun kamera jebar apai badon maying bo kala plu ka bos kala papa kam pas la plu ka bos ke por dangwan ninga kidang gadar arlain kena bayar ban mi di penjar na po bos te ki kemlele de brief penjar ka tang pli tu ba nya bike ni chura masuna utu dunia bike ruan darong side natina nengana natina aduna nengana Cucu.
May pajaran ni. Baik betul. Dapat. Baik saya. Baik saya.
Layak aku tu deh, layak aku. Layak.
Mari imlek. Aduh, kemat air atau kemat air. Pasma. Ada bombing tu driver bike tu ya apa? Timur cik. Bukan pangong tu yang kubil on.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry Priya, sorry Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.